Mark, we are going to be putting in the surround. What is this beauty right here?
That's right. Okay, Kevin. So what we have is it's just a Portland cement poured into molds, and these molds obviously make these shapes.
Gosh, this is so heavy. So this is the real deal here, right?
That's right.
Wow, look at that. Very heavy. So made up in a factory, shipped to us in these pieces?
That's right, just as you see. So.
All right, you got it laid out here. And what are you doing over there? Getting a base in place?
So I'm just getting a base. I just want to bring our height up. We bring these brick in. You can see the piece right behind you, Kevin.
This is the finished look right here?
That's right. So now that we have the base down, what we're going to do, is I'm just going to spread some mortar. Okay, Kevin, so we're ready for that piece now. I think we better bring Todd in for a little more muscle.
All right. Let's slide it underneath this piece of trim here. Hang on, let me move some of the mortar. Okay, a little more. Yep. Nice.
Great.
Right there. I'm pretty close here.
Right. Ready? 1, 2.
You went on 2.
Yep.
Oh,
great.
Look at that.
Nice.
Good.
Okay. Jiggle that out.
And what do you got the tape going on there for, Mark?
So I dropped the tape right at the bottom and the top of each piece. You can see we have a little bit of dirt right here. That stuff comes off easily. If I stain any of this material with mortar, it sucks in, then we're in trouble.
Okay.
So that's why we tape it up. This is the base of the leg. Just going to wiggle this into our mark, which is right there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little clip in. It'll elbow up to this finished wood.
Just make sure this thing never tips forward.
That's right.
Me end to the wall, I think. My fingers out, okay. 2. Like that too, perfect.
All right, so the last thing we have to do is we're going to pull this cabinet so we can anchor this mantle just the way we did to everything else.
Okay.
Have to grout the mortar joints, and then we're done.
Well, I tell you what, that looks awesome already, Mark, and it's only going to look better when it is all cleaned up.
Right, came
Nice
out great.
job.
Yeah, we're happy.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.